Rehook innovates simple solutions to combat everyday cycling problems. We've been developing tools for cyclists for a few years now. And before we'd experienced long lead times and intermittent communication from previous suppliers. So we first approached Balls & Walker when developing a new product, Rehook Plus. And they now all manage all of our moulding and tooling. They're experts in both tooling and moulding and make it an obvious choice for our new and existing products. We even work with them on part of our new product development too. We have some very simple products and some that are a bit more complex. Rehook Plus contains overmoulded steel parts as well as parts like integrated magnets. Balls & Walker's support and top-class service has been critical to the success of our business. The in-depth knowledge of the team ensures we always find the most effective and efficient solutions and keeps us informed on all of the timescales. We can always rely on their open communication to make the product designs into real-world products, on time and on budget. Balls & Walker have helped with urgent requirements on a number of occasions and are always so accommodating, even in really busy periods. We have a really strong relationship and they're an absolute joy to work with.